Hi, this is Peter at SafetyNet Technologies. In this video, I'll explain the functionality of Pisces Lights and also demonstrate how to set up the Pisces Lights using the Pisces Remote. Pisces Lights are designed to increase selectivity in your fishing operation. They attach to your fishing gear and they activate when they're submerged in water. They have 5 different color settings and also white light setting. And by choosing the correct colour settings on Pisces, you can influence the behaviour of the different marine species that come into contact with your fishing gear. By using Pisces Lights in your fishing operation, you can be more precise about what ends up in your net. Pisces Lights are wirelessly recharged, and you can check the state of charge of their battery using the Check Battery button on the Pisces Remote. I'll demonstrate that now. This one has an orange light, which means it has less than 80% battery, but is medium charge and will keep going for quite some time. This light, however, displays a red light, and that means it has less than 5% battery right now, and we should put it on the wireless charger to give it some more juice. To set up Pisces Lights in the optimal way for your fishery, you'll need to use the setting options on the Pisces Remote. Currently, these two Pisces Lights are in their water activated mode. That's the default mode for Pisces Lights. I can, however, switch the lights to be always on. They're on now. They'll stay on when they're submerged in water and when they come out of the water again. I can override this setting using the always off button. This switches the lights off, but it's worth noting that the lights are now locked, so the lights will stay off even when they're submerged in water. This is useful, for instance, if you want to keep the lights fixed to your fishing gear but not actually have them activate during this particular tow. I'll put the lights back into their water activated mode for the rest of this demonstration. Now let's run through the different settings options on the Pisces Lights. Whilst the lights are in water activated mode, we'll get a 2-second preview each time I change the settings on the Pisces Remote. So here's button number 1, that's deep blue light. We get a 2-second preview indicating what colour light will switch on when the Pisces Lights are submerged in water. We'll change the setting again by pressing button number 2, that's blue light. So now they're set to blue. Button number 3 is cyan. Number 4 is green. Number 5 is red. And 6 is white. I'll demonstrate the brightness settings next. I'll just put the lights back into their cyan colour setting. So here's the dimmest light setting of Pisces, low brightness. A fully charged battery provides 270 hours of light on the low brightness setting. Next up is normal brightness. A full battery provides 100 hours of light on this setting. High brightness. A full battery provides 60 hours of light on high brightness. And the brightest light setting on Pisces is super brightness. This will provide 20 hours of light on this setting. Next, we'll go through the flashing rates that Pisces can be set to. So I'll just go into normal brightness again on the cyan light to run through these. So warning, there is flashing light in this section of the video. So here's slow flashing, twice every second. Medium flashing, 8 times every second. And fast flashing, 32 times every second. And we have a button to put the lights back into their continuous light mode. No flashing at all. It's worth mentioning that setting Pisces Lights to flash doubles the battery life. So where a fully charged battery on Pisces brightest light setting provides 20 hours of light, by setting the lights to flash, you will double that duration. So Pisces will give 40 hours of light on bright light with any one of the flashing speeds. Lastly, I'll demonstrate the wrist lanyard of the Pisces Remote. easily attached to keep in your possession whilst out on deck. However, if the Pisces Remote does get pulled from my possession, the lanyard will break apart and my hand will not become trapped. And I can reattach the lanyard with a click. You can contact us at SafetyNet Technologies for advice on the optimal settings for Pisces lights in your fishery. I hope this video has been useful. Do check out our other videos, and I'll thank you for your time. Bye for now.